Stop. Oh my god. I can't believe you.
Add additional enemy types.
Yeah, it's an item and then an enemy. It rotates back and forth, and then it also changes in quality.
Oh!
For everyone we beat, we get an item.
I'm gonna die.
What?
What happened?
I was
fell out
shot
of
by a
the
golem,
bubble.
it launched me out of the circle, and now I'm gonna die. I'm dead to the DOT. Yep, there you
Get
go.
closer up.
Are you actually kidding me? That's the stupidest.
Oh, he's way down there.
That's the stupidest thing that's ever happened to me. Wait a minute. We got golems. It is a problem when Edgy gets launched out of the pod and is dead?
V2 Beetle Queens. I'm not playing as the same character as someone else. If you don't fucking not play. Okay. I'm an engineer, I guess.
Multi-stream?
Got him. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! God damn it.
It's not good.
What the fuck?
Real quick. Fine.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is happening to you?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh,
Yes, good, good.
so you're gonna be the top hog then?
Bro.
Give me the french fries.
It's a top bull, actually.
He's
Or
spinning!
both.
What the fuck?
Give me the.
Why is he spinning like that? Oh, I might die actually if I keep fucking around like this.
Also, Louis
Why
didn't
is he
want
even
Oh my god!